Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TLauncher graphics card error. 100% working. This method try to. If this getting this error, simply few methods try to this error fix it. Before you begin, like this video, subscribe to support our channel. Then let's start that steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu. Then click on the power button. Select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Change the settings. So go to that TLauncher, double tap to open it. Open it. Once it open it, then go to the gear icon. Then click on the settings. Then resolution. Then fix it. And below that option, uncheck the show snapshots. Then uncheck show the old release. Again uncheck the show beta. Once it uncheck it, then go to that save. Again go to the gear icon. Then click on the settings. Then go to the next step. Download the opengl 32.dll file download. So I have already downloaded. Just you are go to the your browser, then type that opengl 32.dll file download. Just search in browser, then first website click here to download that folder file. Then right click, then click on that WinRAR, then just click on the extract file to extract that file. Once it extracted, then double tap to open it, then select, then open gl.32.dll file, then right click, just click to copy, then go to the local disk C, then program files, double tap to open it, again Java, double tap to open that folder, then this folder, double tap to open, then again click the pin, then select, then right click, then paste that 32, just continue. Once it paste, then close it, then go to that Minecraft, then click on that section Java, click to change, this all delete, then go to that your browse, then select, then again open, then save, then close it, again this close it, then restart your system, then your problem fix it. Now finally you are solved that problem. I hope to this video helpful for you. Like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and subscribe to support this method working or not working. Comment section, go to comment. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.